Guys, I am feeling much better after a couple weeks after my surgery. We got less than a week to go for the CVMA round 2 races. Like I said in the last episode, I had to miss the first round because of my surgery and the bikes weren't really ready and all that, blah blah blah. So I didn't get a whole lot of filming done for this month because I was too busy rushing and getting things ready. So there are a couple things that I kind of gloss over in this episode. Sorry about that. If you were really interested in anything specific, just leave a comment below and I'll try and answer it as best as I can. But there's some shortcuts that I took for the CR250 just to get it ready for the race. I'll talk about that in this episode. I won't show it to you guys just yet, but I also got the R3 ready to go, so that's all set up. I just did that yesterday. It was a lot of work. So if you can't tell, I'm kind of like getting a little bit antsy and a little bit panicky to get ready for the races. It's been since 2017 since I've been on this track and on any race bike really other than my R3. So we're gonna find out how I do, and we're gonna find out if the CR250 is capable of being raced with. And really it's just gonna come down to quite a bit of a shakedown test, a shakedown run. So I'm not expecting it to be super competitive, but if it does turn out to be competitive, that would be awesome. We still have a lot of room for improvement on the engine and the pipe and internal stuff, so there's lots that I could do there, but for now we're just gonna get it all buttoned up and ready for the track. Just gotta finish up, tighten a few screws, Loctite a couple things down, put on the safety wire, we're all set. Anyway, I'm gonna start this episode and show you guys what's been happening. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for this episode, guys. The next time you're going to see me, I'm going to be at the racetrack. So, hope you enjoyed this episode. Sorry I couldn't really do any voiceovers. I'm literally 2 days out and just still had a couple things left to do. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.